my channel. This is Miss Manchkania and I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine, and I hope you all guys are safe and healthy with your family and your friends. So yes guys, I am back on with another video where I am going to achieve this look. This is very light makeup look. With that I am going to share some chit chat and the life updates with you. So please guys, don't forget to watch the full video till end. I am going to share a lot of things which happened in last 1 month, due to which I was unable to post the videos on YouTube, and I was very much scared whether I'll be able to put my videos after this or not. So yeah, stay tuned guys. So guys, let's start with the videos. The first thing which I am going to use is this Pond's ka moisturizer. So this is super light gel and I truly agree with them because it is literally oil free, and this, I love this moisturizer like anything. So I'll be telling you the story that why I was not active on YouTube from some time. The thing is that I was traveling to Bhopal. Yes, I was there for almost 10 to 13 I guess. So my mama was not doing well and he was quite the situation was quite serious. So we literally have to pack our bags just one day before. Like, that was not at all a planned trip, nothing is. So yeah, we traveled to Bhopal, and the thing which I'm going to use is my LA Pro Girl ka concealer. Obviously I am just going to use the concealer for today. I am not going to use any heavy base. So yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of concealer everywhere जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ी सी बहुत नीड है मुझे. So I'm just we were very scared, but the situation right now is quite under the control. Like, he's doing it good with his health. I was not exploring Bhopal much. मेरा नानी का घर है वहाँ पे. I used to be there like every year. हम पहले जाते थे वहाँ पर. अभी कुछ टाइम से जाना नहीं हो पा रहा है because situations like 2 years से तो ये कोरोना का ही situation है. इसके पहले I was graduating. My sister was giving the board exams and everything was in line. So इसकी वजह से हमने नहीं. So it was after 6 years we were going to Bhopal. I was quite excited, but the situation was not that good कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत भोपाल ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर पाऊँ. मैंने कुछ भी ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया. neither I shopped anything because there was also a lockdown thing was going. So yeah, I didn't shop anything. I had some few here and there sandals हैं कुछ, अगर मुझे ऐसा कुछ मिला है तो I have took that only. बाकी कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास मैंने कुछ लिया नहीं है या घूमी नहीं हूँ. The thing what happened was that I was in train with my laptop, so I just thought to check out some videos on YouTube. So जैसे ही मैंने मेरे YouTube पे जैसे ही मैंने मेरा YouTube ऑन किया, so it asked me for sign in. So I was bit like why like it is asking to sign in. So I just inserted my password. I typed clicked on enter, and I was expecting it to be like. So the thing which came was that your password is changed. That was a biggest shock because मैंने कोई password change नहीं किया था. I was very much sure. Like, my sister was asking me again and again, just think about it नम्रता, हो सकता है तुमने कहीं पे change किया हो सकता है तुमने कुछ और डाला हो password, like तेरे phone पे message check करो or something. She was being like कि just try to recollect, is it like that you have changed the password. मैंने तभी ही मेरा password reset करने का try किया था वहीं पे. I was so scared. मैंने मेरा phone खोला and it shows me that you are logged out. I was numb over there. Like, मेरे पास मेरा Google का password नहीं था, तो the normal thing was which came into my mind was to reset it by doing the forgot password and it will work. So I clicked on reset the password again and I tried to re-enter my password. जो भी मतलब मुझे वेरिफिकेशन कोड आया और मैंने वो वेरिफिकेशन कोड डाला. द नेक्स्ट लाइक 2 लेवल वेरिफिकेशन होते हैं. वन इज लाइक आपको आपके फ़ोन पे कोड आएगा. मुझे मोबाइल पे OTP आया. आई एंटर्ड दैट OTP. देन गूगल सेंड द वेरिफिकेशन ऑन माई ईमेल एड्रेस. लाइक लिटरली इज इट अ मजाक चल रहा है कोई. एड्रेस. अरे जब मेरा पासवर्ड ही गुम हो गया है तो हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वेरीफाई. तो मेरा सब कुछ लॉग्ड आउट था. Then the next thing came into my mind is that I should go. There is an option like when you click on the home page, there is an option to help, और उसमें जाके एक option है that you have like someone else changed your password. So I did same. Like again I clicked on it. It again asked me for the OTP on the mobile number. I inserted that OTP. And then suddenly it again said me that your verification code is sent on your email address. I was very much irritated at that time because like I was in so much like कि मेरा एक तो email सारा it was logged out. Another thing was this YouTube channel was logged out. I was so much depressed in that that journey that I don't know what I'm going to happen. I was doing it again and again. After few attempts, I got an option for this. Try another way. So I clicked on that. While I was doing that, मैंने मेरा मोबाइल का OTP डाल दिया. मोबाइल नंबर पे जो OTP आया था. The next I got is कि आपके email ID पे पासवर्ड जाएगा, तो वहाँ उसके नीचे एक ऑप्शन था try another way. I clicked on another way. So let me tell you, I am using the Swiss Beauty का palette, and from this I am using this shade as in my base. So yeah, what I was telling you is कि मैं उसके पहले ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा wrong attempts कर चुकी थी. मैंने जब like email वाले थिंग पे आई क्लिक्ड ऑन ट्राई अनदर वे, तो वहाँ पे दूसरा वे ये आया कि आप आपकी कोई भी दूसरी ईमेल एड्रेस जो है आप वो डालिए, तो आपका जो रीसेट का जो लिंक है आपको उस ईमेल एड्रेस पे आएगा. आई वॉज क्वाइट हैप्पी, आई वॉज सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस. सो yeah, the next thing which I am using from Swiss Beauty palette only, the next shade which I am going to use is this. Like for the base I am using this shade. Like the first thing I have applied is this one, this shade I have used. So yeah, the next thing which I am going to use is this brown color. What I am going to do is I am just going to crease it out on my eyes. I am not taking anywhere long, just a little bit on my crease like this. Yeah, so this is it. Guys, don't forget to blend it, क्योंकि blend नहीं करोगे ना बहुत harsh lines लगती हैं और बहुत बेकार सा लगता है. I'm just using this fluffy brush and I'm going to blend it very roughly. The next thing which I'm going to use is this is my Hilary Rhoda palette, and from this I am going to take this shimmer shade. If you guys can see, I'll give you a quick swatch. It is a very shimmery shade, like very, if you guys can see. It will give me a holographic look to be honest. So I am just using my finger for this. I'm not going to take any brush. मैं brush नहीं ले रही हूँ इसके लिए. So this is how my eyes is looking right now. I'll meet you after the second eye. This is how my eyes is looking right now. So the next thing which I am going to take is, because I feel I need some CC cream, sorry BB cream. I do have CC cream but मुझे CC cream नहीं लगानी, because that is ना big, मतलब मेरे पास मैं CC क्रीम जो यूज़ कर रही हूँ that is Lakme का CC क्रीम, and the BB cream which I use is Pond's का. Like this is like, to me it is everything. Like I cannot go out without CC cream on, like if I want to go somewhere where I don't want to do much makeup, so I always like put on my CC cream for the quick color correction and everything. So yeah. हाँ, so let me tell you that what happened after that. So मुझे आपका जो 48 hours के बाद है, आपको आपका I told you कि my mama was not well there. So मुझे इतना टाइम याद नहीं था कि it's been already 48 hours. So मैंने काफ़ी दिन के बाद वो लिंक ओपन की, 3-4 days के बाद, काफ़ी डेज नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ पे मोबाइल उठाने का टाइम नहीं था. तो मैंने अराउंड 3 से 4 दिनों के बाद that I opened that link. I was very much happy with this. I thought कि I'll be getting my password again. क्योंकि मेरा यूट्यूब वगैरह ना सब कुछ लॉग आउट हो गया था। एंड आई हैव हैबिट ऑफ चेकिंग इन नाइट कि कितने व्यूज़ है, कितना टाइम हुआ है, और यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल। बट मेरा लाइक मेरा दिस थिंग हैपन, तो मेरा ना बिल्कुल मन खराब था यूट्यूब को लेके। आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड दिस थिंग दैट कि लाइक मेरा पासवर्ड गुम हो गया। आई वॉज just trying to forget it, but to be honest I was unable to. but somewhere मैंने 3 दिन तक मैंने 3-4 दिन तक जो भी लिंक आई थी मैंने उसे हाथ नहीं लगाया था। उसके बाद आई ओपन दैट लिंक, आई क्लिक्ड ऑन दैट लिंक, उस पर लिखा हुआ था टू रीसेट द पासवर्ड प्लीज क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक। आई क्लिक्ड ऑन दैट लिंक, इट आस्क्ड मी कि आपका जो भी पुराना पासवर्ड जो भी आपको याद है आप वो डालो। सो मुझे जो मेरा पासवर्ड याद था मैंने डाला, इट एक्सेप्टेड इट ऑल्सो। So I was thinking कि now तो it is going to be definitely I'm going to get back my Google account. I'll be able to log in for my YouTube and everything. What happened is कि जैसे ही मैंने वो कर दिया, it was another level was like मोबाइल पे OTP आना। I was quite sure कि अब हो जाएगा, but after that like literally I got another that another page where it was asking that your OTP has sent to your email address, please enter that, and the email address is जिसका पासवर्ड मेरा गुम हो चुका है। like the same email address I am asking for Namrata, Namrata, suppose namrata97@gmail.com का पासवर्ड I have lost और someone else has changed me and Google is asking me कि मैंने जो आपका पासवर्ड है वहीं पे भेजा है और वही पासवर्ड आप डालो। I just hope it makes sense to you guys, but that time was very much frustrating. So मैंने क्या किया, I was waiting to come back to home. The reason was because मेरे desktop पे भी logged in रहती हूँ मैं, तो I was thinking कि I'll go back home and if this is the procedure that they are sending me OTP on my email address, so that is fine. like मेरे PC में logged in रहेगा, I am going to log in over there and going to reset my password. This was the thing. ठीक है, हो गए 12-13 दिन। yeah, so I am almost done with my eyes. I'm not going to do much. What I'm going to do next is I'm just blending this so that just blending this in circular motion ताकि कुछ भी ना harsh ना लगे। So the next thing which I'm going to do is that I am going to fill in my eyebrows. So yeah, again I am using the same palette and the same shade, and this is my angle brush. I'm taking the angle brush and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows because this is right now like how my eyebrows is looking. I know it is looking quite bushy क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिला है लॉकडाउन की वजह से आईब्रो को शेप अप करने के लिए। so yeah, this is how my eyebrows are looking right now and this is the complete eye look. So the next thing which I'm going to do is that is going to be very quick. So I am going to take my blusher. This is the blusher which I am using. I like using peach blushes on my face. So yeah, I am just taking this a little bit and I am going to place it like here, putting it very light. For the blush, I am not going to put it on my apple of my cheeks like here. I'm not going to put it because it makes me like a red over here. Sometimes it look good, but today I'm just not in mood to do that. Yeah. Just taking a little more blush only on the tip of my nose, just that. So I'm not going to bronze up my face or anything. So this is it. So for the highlighter again I'm using the Hilary Rhoda palette and I'm using the same color, like same sparkling color which I used for for my eyes. And what I'm going to do is this. I am just using this fluffy brush because I believe fluffy brush बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आपका प्रोडक्ट लेता है. That's what I feel at least. So if you felt anything else, so guys please tell me. Oh my god, this is very much glowing. I'm just going to soothe it like this. But it is looking good anyways. So yeah, forget. Again I'm going to soothe it. So yeah, I was waiting to come back home. I came back home, and when I entered my desktop, like when I like opened my desktop and everything, it was logged out from there too. I was like, what the fuck? So after 2-3 days, like after very much struggling and everything, it was impossible to get back my password. And the main thing was that YouTube was linked to that password and that Google link. So I was very devastated. I was like, theek hai, like I will not be able to check on my YouTube anymore, neither I'll be able to put it. Like I literally मैंने बहुत सारा YouTube पे सब देखा कि how to log into YouTube without this Google password and everything, but nothing worked. Trust me guys, if you are new on YouTube, or if you are a content creator or something you are doing with the YouTube, it is very important to have your Google password, Gmail password on the tip. Like I don't know who changed my password. Like I'm still struggling to know that. मैंने बहुत बार ना वहाँ पे एक टैब होता है जहाँ पे आप जाके देख सकते हो कि that where the password was changed, which device was logged in, but I'm unable to get any details for that. But let me tell you that how I got my password back. So मैं जब अटेम्प्ट कर रही थी, like मैंने अपने हर पासवर्ड अटेम्प्ट करके देख लिए, नो पासवर्ड वॉज गेटिंग मैच्ड. आई वॉज लाइक कि आई डोंट नो जिसने भी ये किया है क्या पासवर्ड रखा होगा. मेरा दिमाग बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब था. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि जब इट आस्किंग यू फॉर द ईमेल वेरिफिकेशन, सो इट गिव्स यू ट्राई अनदर वे, एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट ट्राई अनदर वे, सो इट विल बी आस्किंग यू कि ऑन विच ईमेल एड्रेस यू वांट दैट लिंक टू रीसेट योर पासवर्ड. सो पहले तो मेरी एक दूसरी जीमेल है, आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू पुट दैट, और वहाँ पे जो लिंक है आई टोल्ड यू दैट वॉज अ बोगस लिंक, कोई भी काम की नहीं थी. Then what I did was that I started putting the password, like I started the email address of my sister. Like मैंने वहाँ पे जो email address मांगता है वहाँ पे मेरी sister की email address डाली. So again 48 hours का time मांगा गया था, and it asked कि you will be getting the link to reset your password and everything. I was like this is a total shit. Like मैंने बहुत सारे attempt कर लिए थे. 2-3 दिन हो गए मुझे आके. आई वॉज अपसेट अबाउट इट, एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि वॉट टू डू. आई हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट 380 something subscribers on YouTube, and it was really a struggle to get those subscribers. On that note guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go just right now, go stop this video and subscribe to my channel. And please, if you're liking this video, please like the video, and if you are liking any other part of the video, please go comment down what you are relating to. So yeah, that's it. So what I was telling was कि I was thinking कि YouTube गया, I made another channel on that part. I made another channel जो कि मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं था, बिकॉज समटाइम इट हैपेंस ना कि आप एक चीज़ आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, काफ़ी टाइम तक चल रही है अच्छी खासी, यू आर वेरी यू आर प्रोग्रेसिंग, एंड सडनली वो चीज़ रुक जाए एंड समवन आस्क यू टू स्टार्ट द रेस वंस अगेन. इट वॉज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सोच के व्हाट आई डिड कि मैंने मेरा एक दूसरा जो यूट्यूब का चैनल है वो लाइक ओपन मतलब लाइक सेटअप किया, एंड मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे आई पुट अ पोस्ट कि this is how happened, like my Google ID got hacked and everything. I put it on my Instagram, and नए वाले चैनल पे भी I inserted one video जो मेरी facial shaving की वीडियो है. If you haven't watched, please guys watch it. It is really helpful. So वो वाली वीडियो का मेरे पास like पूरा फुटेज पड़ा था. मैंने वो जो वीडियो है अगेन मेरे न्यू चैनल पे डाल दी, and I literally promoted it on my Instagram and everything, that yeah, this is the thing. Like I put it on story. I was very much like, if I don't know whether I'll be able to give it my 100% to that channel again or not, but I was like, let's see how it goes. The lipstick which I'm using is Inside Ki non-transfer lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick and that is in the shade Charmed Pink. It is a quite on the nude pink side, but I don't know why it is looking like a blood red here. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, I am done with my lipstick. I am not sure why my face is looking like this, but a little bit highlighter on my nose tip too, because I like highlighter over there. So yeah, what happened is कि मैंने दूसरा चैनल सेटअप कर लिया था and I was very much ready to dive in again. और मैंने उस पर एक वीडियो डाल दी एंड प्रमोट कर दिया था and I was like, I was literally not interested to go with the struggle again. So yeah, this happened, and after 2 to 3 days my sister suddenly called me. Like, I was at home and she was out. She was like, Namrata, like, I'm giving you a password, just do one thing. तेरी जो पुरानी आईडी है उसका पासवर्ड डाल. This is your password. I was like, what is this? What the fuck is wrong with her? But when she told me, I was like, ठीक है, I'll do it. मैंने जैसे ही किया, I got my ID back, guys. I got my ID back. I was so happy at that time. I was so much excited to get my Google ID back, because, like, trust me, the first thought was in my mind was like my YouTube channel, because it was linked with it. The first thing I entered was my, like, I went on my YouTube ka app and I entered and everything was done and it was working. I was so much, like, I was so happy, क्योंकि उन 2-3 दिनों में ना I have literally tried to contact Google and everything. It did, मतलब कोई ऐसा वीडियो ऐसा नहीं होगा YouTube पे जो मैंने छोड़ा हुआ. I'm just using a little bit of concealer under my eyes because I feel they are looking very dark. So yeah. So the thing I told you was कि I literally was very happy, and just I inserted, I got my password back. So I asked my sister that how you got the password. So the thing was, when I checked later, तो मेरे आईडी पे भी मुझे वेरिफिकेशन के लिए एक ईमेल आया हुआ था, where they were asking me some security questions, that if this is your ID, if you want to reset the password for your ID, you have to answer some of your this questions. So my sister knew it bit, so उसने कर दिया ओके दुके पे, like she got the password and I was so happy. And after that I found that the same link was shared by the Google from me too, and like I don't know कि उन लोगों ने ये लिंक क्यों भेजा, because like जो भी मैं पहले आईडी एंटर कर रही थी, it was saying that we are unable to verify you, so again, the same thing. But I was very much happy, guys. Trust me, if you are like, आप YouTube वगैरह के बारे में सोच रहे हो या आपका YouTube का चैनल है, तो trust me guys, Google password is like भगवान है आपका, literally भगवान है. So yeah, this was the thing which happened with me. And about my mama ji, he is right now doing very well with his health. We were quite scared कि पता नहीं क्या होगा. No, he was not suffering from corona or something, but he was having some issues like normal because of his age. But he's now doing very much fine, and we are very grateful to God for this. So yeah, that was the life update from my side. But this, the thing which I told you about this password, literally मेरा पूरा motivation ही मर गया था. I was thinking whether I want to do this YouTube thing once again or not, because I was not ready कि मैंने इतनी मुश्किल से, like, it is very tough to get 400-500 subscribers, like for a new content creator, मेरी पूरी motivation ही मर गई थी. I was saying to my sister कि you know just it is just a sign that my God don't want me to be YouTuber or something. That is a bullshit, but sometimes it happens कि आपके दिमाग में ऐसे thoughts आते हैं कि you know भगवान चाहता ही नहीं होगा कि मैं YouTube करूँ, तो that's why this thing happened. But once you know like I got my passport, I was very 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 happy and excited about it. So yeah, this is the final look for my skin. I'll just open my hairs and wear some earrings and see you guys. So guys, this is the final look. I am not thinking to wear any earrings on this, but yeah, this is the final look. This is a very, let me tell you, this is a very subtle makeup. Like when I am in hurry, I usually do this makeup, and I find it very easy and easy breezy without any ज़्यादा makeup products. So yeah, you guys can try it out, and if you like this video, please guys give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is very important. It just gives me a boost to make the more videos, and I try to be very much consistent on the YouTube from now because I have saved that password everywhere, like everywhere. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked and enjoyed it. So please guys, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. We'll be seeing you the next time. Bye guys.